In this episode, a fat guy drives a little Hello Kitty car. Not very far.
Rolling with the ghost down a back road. Lifted Cummins, howling, let the smoke roll. West Virginia nights hit the mud holes. Yeah, we rolling with the ghost down a back road.
What's going on? Welcome back to Elite Rejects Garage, where it is hot as crap in here. And I got the fan on, so if you hear a fan noise going wah 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 wah, that's probably what it is. But anyways, today, not going to be working on a Jeep or a Dodge. We're going to be working on a Polaris. Go figure, I hate Polarises.
About dropped you.
I hate Polarises. Anyways, today, we're going to be working on the Polaris 170, aka the Hello Kitty car. We actually did the best upgrade you could. Check out the steering wheel. I seen this online and I had to get it for her. I mean, and then when we wash it, you can just take it off or whatever. I think it's pretty cool. But anyways, we're going to be doing an upgrade. Now, one of you all been saying to use like 600 shocks, and I was like, wait a minute. I'm like, what? But apparently, I did more research, and I think, what was it, 600, 660, and 700 Raptor shocks should fit and upgrade this. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Because this has the lean in and absolutely kills me. It kills the tires. Now, I have seen many of them like this, so it's just...
You just got ran over.
I did. Gotta watch out. I've seen a lot of them like this and everything like that when the tires go in and everything, and it bugs the crap out of me. But even like the new, like the ones that look brand new is like that. So it's apparently it's just thing. So I did do some research, and people are like, yeah, Raptor shocks, you can do it, and it kind of upgrades. Now I got these off eBay. It said upgraded Raptor shocks from Yin Yang Walla Walla Bing Bang. And I don't know if they're going to work or not, but we're going to try it as far as the camera's wiggling because she's over there laughing.
Well,
But
we had a whole conversation about that
Okay,
that
I
night.
was going to say, like, the tracking in this said it was somewhere not in the United States. It was going to be here in a couple of days. And then, like, it just stopped. It said it was in Charleston, West Virginia, and I'm like, that's usually, like, USPS, you know, and today I got home and they were here.
Well, it normally says that like the day before we get stuff.
But we do have this right here. It does have adjustables. These got adjustables, but they're like frozen. They won't turn. So I'm hoping these will fit. And I do have new tie rod ends. We're going to adjust it so, you know, it's straight as we can get. We'll give it the old look to see to make sure it's good. Everything hopefully easily fit. Worst case scenario, we just shave them off a little bit. But I don't know. And the white, so they kind of go with the theme. They had some reservoirs, but these are like $77 on eBay. They do a job, they do a job. I don't care if this thing rides like a wagon because basically it's a wagon with the motor on it, you know? So let's go ahead, we're going to jack it up, pull the wheels off. I do have new tie rod ends. I might go ahead and replace those since we're going to be adjusting them, might as well. And grease some of the stuff. I think I did before, but we'll go ahead and do it again. And slap on the new shocks. We've had this side off already because we replaced the new A-arm. This side we haven't had off yet, but we'll go ahead and try it. So we'll push it back a little bit. Beautiful day in OWB. Feels great. Tomorrow's supposed to be rain and literally getting down in the 50s again. Like, 50s is good to work in the garage with. But yeah, so it's supposed to be like chilly all week, as long as it don't snow. That'd be some crap, wouldn't it? Alright, what does it say? Spring flowers bring rain showers?
April showers bring May flowers.
Oh, okay, whatever. Alright, let's get some tools. Let's do some work. I had a comment, somebody said, why don't I have a concrete floor? Why do I not have a concrete floor? On Blueberry Hill.
Oh, that was on Dora.
What?
Blueberry Hill. That's where Swiper lived.
I thought it was that like perverted joke.
Oh, I don't know. I know Swiper on Dora the Explorer lived on Blueberry Hill.
I thought that was like a perverted joke. I don't think that was in Blueberry. Huh.
Shows you our two mindsets.
What?
That says shows our different mindsets.
Apparently so, because I don't remember. I don't remember where old Swiper lives.
Well, we was kind of too old for Dora. I only know it because of my sisters.
Swiper knows swiping.
That's the only reason I know it.
Yeah. Get some spiked lugs for this thing. They might be having a car show, and the money goes to like the school. Hopefully, Georgia will be going to this
Oh, yeah,
year.
when is that going on? I forgot about it.
I don't know yet. I think they're still working on a date, but they said they were going to have like a side-by-side thing.
Definitely got to take hers down there.
We're going to pimp this thing out when we do go. If I know sure that we'll build something cool. We'll build like a custom top that has like the ears for the bow. Out of like fiber. We should do that anyways. And put like lights under it and everything.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty cool.
Need to make her some headlights.
Some headlights.
Yeah. I don't even know if them work.
To be honest, I don't think they do because I don't know how to turn them on.
I don't either. Kind of freaked me out a minute.
What?
I seen the steering wheel moving.
Alright. Honestly, good. See, these snow rods seem pretty good. Alright, so we're going to slap this off, which I've already had them off. I just need my rig set and go for it. Huh, that's crazy. I didn't even check to see if that fit. I was just like, turn the camera on. Yeah. Must have gave it some Uggas. No, I didn't take the top off. I just left that way. Alright, let's measure and see. Well, looks about the same height. That's got more coal in it. Yeah?
I don't say they looked like they was about the same.
Yep. So she's got a brand new big bike.
It's right there.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah. And she's got another bike there. Well, he's got a bike. She'll hold it out here. Hey! She's like, I know these knows talk about that. Anyway, she's got new stuff, so before everybody says something about, oh, she ain't got a bike, she's got a brand
That's
new
her
one.
second one. Because she outgrew her other
Yeah.
one. It was a Minnie Mouse.
Alright, let's go ahead and we'll slap this in. Hopefully, it'll be good.
But I think she likes it because it's low to the ground. I think she's still a little bit intimidated with hers.
We take her to the park all the time.
Yeah, she does good on it at the park. I guess where it's pavement.
Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that. I think we'll be okay. I mean, literally it's bad. I mean, the tie rod's don't look bad or anything. So it's good. Well, thank you. Tell me it's a direct fit.
Ain't no way.
Hot diggity dog. And we've got a lot of adjustment too. So we'll sit this one down. I don't know, I kinda wanna sit down, this is what it looks like, you know.
I know what we're gonna be doing tomorrow.
What?
Taking a trip to Walmart
What? Oh yeah.
to exchange her helmet.
We bought them helmets and everything, and we misread. The helmet said we thought
Available.
it could be medium or large. So we got hers and it said medium, but we thought we could turn it large. Maybe the padding. It wasn't. And these we got him a large and it fit good, and it fit Georgia good. So
We just need to exchange hers for a large.
we got some dirt roads and stuff out the mountain and everything we want to take her. And I want to pick her up from school one day, so I can't have the wheels bowing out like that, you know.
And she's only got 6 days of school left.
Yeah, so it's like I gotta. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put those shocks in. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all these bolts up, and then I'm gonna drop it down and see what it looks like. Alright, new shock on. Yeah, look at that bad boy.
That's good.
It does. We need to spray this thing off. We cleaned it and everything, but right around this field, daggone mow holes, we put dust everywhere.
Well, it's horrible when you mow the lawn.
What? When I mowed the lawn?
When you mow the lawn, I got choked for a
When I
minute.
mowed the lawn. Yeah, it is bad. The other day I was out there mowing in the driveway, and everywhere I was blowing the dust to, it'd be like, woof, back on me. And I mean, like, it was bad. It looked like I was at, like, a Burning Man thing. No way. Now let's sit this bad boy down. Now we can adjust it if we need to. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
Did it fix it?
I mean, it's better than what it was.
We could turn it up and make
Here.
it stiffer.
That way you can get a...
You see this one's leaning in, this one's straight, well, kinda. What we'll do is I'll lift it back up and I'll twist the shock and make it stiffer. So that should fix it. Let's go ahead and do that. We went up 2. Yeah, that should. Went up 2. Help it? Yeah. Oh yeah. It needs to be adjusted out some, but that helps you. I don't think you really know it until it's outside sitting. So I'm going to go ahead and slap the other on. And yeah. These, I think, they could have went up 1, 2. I don't have a shock tool, so I'm not going to lie. I was using like
Wrench and vice grips. Here, what's spilling my coffee?
About did. So, but they're a little frozen, and plus these are for a 4. And if you look at this, it should be a whole lot better. Be a little bit. It might be a little rougher ride, but I have that and the wheels like blowing out and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and slap these on. We'll roll it out, look at it, and then we'll try to adjust the steering and everything on it because they are a little bit cockeyed. Alright, yeah, so right there, you know, it just had to have a little persuasion. I want to go ahead and set it to, let's see, right here. It'll be on the very out one. So go ahead and set that. We'll slap the wheel back on and work on our adjustment. better than it was.
A lot better.
A lot better. Adjusted that real in some. Wish I could see how it looks like on the ride and stuff. So I want to ride it some. I know. I think it's a little compressed because I'm a fat guy. That's just how it is. Alright, so we're trying this bad boy out. I do exceed the weight limit on this thing. I do know that. But the shocks are still doing the exact same thing, which I understand is a kid's car, but you know. For right now, we have to kind of drive her, so that's kind of like one of the problems. So, these shocks are probably not really the ATV Raptor shocks that we thought. They are from eBay. They said upgraded to probably degraded everything. I would think they would be a little bit more stiffer and everything. This thing probably does weigh kind of bit. I know it's not made for like an adult or whatever like that, but she's learning to drive, but she won't be driving out the road by herself right now. So an adult has to ride with her. So we need to get it kind of raised and not like that. So I think what I can do is temporary. The shocks, it needs to be about a 3-inch. So I'm gonna take some metal and kind of make like a shock extension on both sides, and we bolt the shock in the middle and then put the other bolt. But I'll angle the bottom of the shock extension to match the A-arm so it won't go anywhere or anything like that. And it should do pretty good. If we have to, we can tack it, whatever, but I think we'll be okay. But it'll lift it up and make it do pretty good. Because like I said, when we go out the road and everything, adult has to be driving with it and everything. So I think that's what we're going to do. It maybe, especially rain all week, so we might end up doing it this week. Probably because she only has 6 days. 6 days of school left, but she only goes 2 days a week. So she's got 3 weeks of school left. And I did want to pick her up from school one day in it. So I don't want to roll in and the wheels are like, there's like birds or just roll it, So I do want to look kind of cool. As cool as I can, like, I'm going to look at this thing and everything.
Wait, Monty. You're big. I'm that big.
Oh, wait, you're almost as tall as me.
He is taller than you.
You are taller than me.
Okay,
By just a little bit.
But anyway, so that's what we'll probably do this week sometime. But that's going to do it for this video. I know it's short, but kind of literally got the shocks today and the video goes up tomorrow. But anyways, I'll see you in the next one. As always, woo! America, baby!
Yeah!
Woo!
America, baby!
Yeah!
Baby!
Yeah!
That had the end.